They are really hungry today. And they're getting so big. Oh, they're so sweet. Sometimes if somebody gets pushed out, they're being pretty quiet right now. They're usually just doing a lot of screaming and yiping. They're being pretty quiet. And little Gracie, little green collar Gracie, she's just tuckered out. She's just laying across Mom's back leg there. Just found a nice little cuddle across Mom's leg. They are so sweet. That's a lot of work. A lot of work. And there's one up here under Mom's. If you look close, there's one under Mom's mouth there. See? Little tail shaking there. Yeah. So cute. You're such a good mama. You're such a good mama, Sandy. You're such a good mama.